Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to add shapes in Google Slides. You can insert ready-made shapes such as arrows, callouts, equations, and lines in your slides. Okay, so for example, mag-open tayo ng ating slides. So as you can see, nasa slide number 2 tayo. Paano ba mag-insert ng ating shapes? So, pwede tayong mamili or gumamit dito sa ating toolbar. Okay? So, click Shapes. And then, we have different options. Shapes, arrows, callouts, and equation. Okay, so try natin tong shapes. So, as you can see, okay, ito yung mga option na pwede nating ibigay or ilagay. Okay, kaya sinabing ready-made na siya, hindi ka na mismo magmamanual na what we call this, mag-drawing ng mismong shapes sa iyong slide, kundi meron na siyang given shapes para mas mapadali yung iyong paggawa. Okay? So, ito yung sample ng shapes. And then, we have here arrows. So, for example, this one. And then, we have here a callouts. Okay. And then, lastly, we have here an equation. So, for example, this one. Okay, so ayan ganyan yung mag-insert ng shapes. Okay, in addition, you can add text inside the shapes. So, select the shape. Okay, so for example, this one. So, pwede natin itong lagyan ng text yung mismong shapes na meron tayo. So, papaano ba ito? So, select mo lang yung image. Okay, and then right-click. And then, edit text. For example, ang ilalagay nating text is jar. Okay, so paano natin siya i-modify? So, gagamit tayo ng formatting tools para naman sa text. So, i-click natin to, and then, arrange natin, i-modify natin ng alignment, center, and then, increase font size, or click this one para mas mabilis, and then, ayan. And then, you can change the font. Okay, so marami tayong mga option dyan. Okay, for example, this one. Or kung ayaw mo, okay, pili ka lang dyan na gusto mong font style. For example, semi. Okay, so ayan lang siya. And then you can arrange yan. So, same as sa topic natin kung papaano makapag-modify ng text, ayan lang din yung gagamitin nyo. Okay? So, same lang din dito sa mga shapes na pwede na meron tayo. Okay? So, pwedeng lagyan ng text yung mismong shape natin. Okay, so saan ba natin makikita? You can modify your shapes through these following tools. It is available in the format menus and shortcut toolbar. So, pwede siyang i-click natin ang format sa menus. Okay? Okay, and then, ayan na siya. So, pwede dyan natin makapapili ng borders and lines. So, pero sa shortcut naman, shortcut toolbar, okay, pwede natin itong i-click itong part na to. We have here a fill color. Ayan. For example, this one. Okay, so ayan na siya. Pero mas maganda rin yung color na gray, no? Ayan. So, kung gusto mong baguhin yung color ng shapes, okay, ang tawag dito ay fill color. And then, we have here a border colors. Yung border colors, yung pinaka-line sa labas ng iyong, okay, ng iyong shapes. So, ayan na siya naging black. Okay? And then, ang tawag dito is what we call the size of, select natin tong shape para lumabas yung formatting tools. Border, weight. Okay, yung kapal or thickness ng ating outline. Okay, so pwede natin yung select yan. So, baguhin. And then, yung border dash. Kung gusto mo bang ganyan. Okay, so, mostly, ang ginagamit ay itong line talaga na to. Okay, so, ang fill color, okay, add color to your shapes, border color, it add color the borders of the shapes, and yung border weight, ito yung thickness ng line ng border, and yung dash, border dash gives dashes to the line of borders. So, ayan yung pag-format ng iyong shape. So, in addition, for more option, okay, sa pag-modify ng borders and line, okay, click mo lang yung menus, okay, ng format, and then click mo yung borders and lines. So, marami pa siyang mga option dyan. Ayan, may mga border decoration, dash, type, weight, and color. Okay? So, ikaw mamimili kung papaano mo gagamitin yan. Or kung another way, para ma-format mo pa rin siya, click mo lang yung shape and then right-click and select mo yung, what do you call this? Format. Okay, ayusin natin yung format options. So, inarrow down ko lang, format options. So, again, kagaya sa image, ganito pa rin yung lalabas na mga options sa ating format options. So, ayan. Okay, that's it for adding shapes and modifying shapes in Google Slides. Thank you.